Hi, my name is Alyssa Hunsaker. My assignment was to create a new website for Loup County, Nebraska. Their current website is very simple, but many of the interactions are downloading PDFs and it doesn't provide a lot of useful information or directs you to other websites. I only needed to create 4 main websites or 4 main sections of the website. So I'm going to show you those sites. Obviously, a real county website would be much bigger, but I'll walk you through a few scenarios I created to help fulfill the requirements of the assignment. And I'll also show you the mobile site. This is the desktop site. So to start, the first scenario is the Loup County primary elections are coming up. Use the website to find your voting precinct location. So you can either scroll through the page or use the links. And you can scroll through candidates to learn more. And then there are buttons to go to different parts of the page. I wanted the information to be bite-sized and not all of the information at once. So to find your precinct, you can enter a zip code, and then it provides the information you need for voting. The next scenario was your son is 16 and wants to get his driver's license. Use the website to find out where he can take the driver's written test and what documents he needs to apply. Go to the DMV, and I wanted to make sure hours, address, current wait time, all those things were prevalent because I know that's what most people want. And then I divided it into different categories so that you don't have to have all the information at once. You can just go to where you want. I feel like government websites often have all the information you'd ever want displayed in one area, and it can be a little overwhelming. So for a new driver's license, an appointment is required. And then it provides all the information you need, which was something many of my users appreciated. My testers appreciated that it wasn't overwhelming and that the information was clear and simple. The next scenario is your daughter is writing a report on the first settlers of Loup County. Use the website to help her find images and information for her report. So we can scroll down to history. And I only did some of the pages. Obviously, it would be all the way to the end of would be more than just the 1900s, but you can click on the images and learn more about the people. And a lot of this information was not available on the actual Loup County website. They just had very limited historical information and took you to a website that is not being maintained anymore. So I did have to make up some of this information, but I had a lot of fun creating this part. Okay, the last scenario is you want to add 2 rooms to the back of your home. Use the website to find the correct building permits application. So you can see the zoning map, which tells a little bit about different building areas in Loup County. And that also will rotate through these icons. And you can click on the one you desire, but if you get the wrong one, you can go back to the one you desire and then download the application. I wanted to have interactions and changes and just little bits of fun because sometimes interacting with county websites is not the most fun experience. Also, here is my mobile site, and I can show you that a little bit. I did have to make a few changes for it to work. I decided to make it scroll sideways instead of, and the pop-ups work the same way. So it's very similar. You can download each of the different ones. And I couldn't have a hover effect since that's not possible on phones, so I decided to have the cars just kind of zoom in periodically. And then the pop-ups still work the same here as well. So this is my county website. I hope that, I think it's better than the original, more fun, more interactive, and easier to use, more user-friendly and attractive. Thanks.